Are you new to the concept of cybersecurity, or you're interested in picking up a career in cybersecurity and you don't actually know where to start from? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the best online cybersecurity courses that you can take up right now in the world of cybersecurity. And at the end of this course, you're going to understand what cybersecurity is and how to position yourself such that you can take up tasks and jobs as a cyber security expert. Exactly. And these courses also comes with certification. So if this interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you 4 courses that you can take up right now. These are actually free courses that you can take up right now to kickstart your career as a cyber security expert. So before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, PE Academy, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any update like this on this channel. All right, so having said that, now let's get into the video. So before we start into looking at the courses, so let's try to just make sure we're on the same page. Let's look at what cybersecurity is. So if you look at it, if you come on Google and then you search for the word cybersecurity, it says cybersecurity is a practice of protecting systems, network, and programs from digital attack. Exactly. So in simple terms, you are trying to protect a particular system, a network, a program from attacks or from hackers. So that is your job as a cyber security or a computer security expert. Exactly. So what are the courses that comes highly recommendable as a cyber security? Exactly. So the first thing we are going to be looking at is this, a brief guide to cyber security. And don't forget, the 4 courses I'm going to be recommending, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video so that you can click on it and get started immediately. All right, so a brief guide to cybersecurity. So let's take a look at the course. It says, learn how to prevent, detect, and react to a cyber attack to protect data in this free online cybersecurity course. Exactly. It says, cybersecurity has gained more prominence as colossal breaches make headlines and threaten information across the globe. Almost all cases are due to human error, like clicking on an attachment and installing malware or revealing sensitive information to hackers. Exactly. So, and that is true. A lot of them, once you receive an email, there's always a mail or a message. There's always something in it that if you're not careful, you are giving ways to hackers. So this is going to be giving you some of those information or those things you need to prevent yourself from being hacked or being more security conscious online. So if you look at this course, it has about 8,000 learners already enrolled so far. And this is 3 to 4 hours of learning. Exactly. And this course is divided into 2 course modules, Introduction to Cybersecurity Awareness. So if you come on this page and you click on this arrow here, you're going to see the outline of what to expect, what is social engineering, what is malware, password management, secure internet usage. So that's how to use the internet securely, then a lesson summary. So this is more like a brief guide. This is like, you can see, just a brief guide, but however, it's a 3 to 4 hours learning, so you should expect an in-depth information on the concepts of cyber security. So this is the first course that comes highly recommendable. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So once you come on this page, just click on start course now, and then you're going to start your journey into this particular course. So now let's get to the second course. So here is the second course, Diploma in Cyber Security. So this is a more in-depth course on the concept of cyber security. It says, earn a diploma in cyber security with this free online course that covers mobile and cloud security and ethical hacking. Exactly. Okay, so this is, if you look at this course, it has more number of students enrolled. This is 3,000 learners enrolled so far, 654 rating. So if you look at the course modules, this has about 6 modules. And then this course assessment. So once you complete this course assessment and then you hit the pass mark, you are going to be earning your certificate. Exactly. So the first module is on network and system security. The second one is on web application security, incident response and forensic, risk management and compliance, wireless network and wireless network security. So you can see that the course content, the course module here is different from the first one. So that's to let you know that you can just go ahead and watch all of these courses. Exactly. You can't just watch one courses and then say you are already a cybersecurity, that you already know about cybersecurity, or you're a cybersecurity expert. You have to take a number of courses, and there's nothing wrong with you taking all of the courses that I'm going to be recommending in this video. I think there are only 4 courses I'm going to be recommending to you in this video, and 3 of them are actually free courses that you can start right away. This is the second one. So I'll leave a link to this also in the description. So once you see it, you can just come here and then you click on start course now. Then you can start your journey to on this course. So in this free course, you will learn identify and mitigate various cyber threats and attack vectors, summarize conduct vulnerability assessment, and apply patch management effectively. Exactly. Then discuss the basics of cybersecurity and their relevance in digital age. Outline secure cloud environment and protects data during migration. So all of these are what you are going to be learning in the course in this particular course. Okay, so now this is the second one. Now let's look at the third one. This is diploma in cybersecurity operations. So this is another great course that you should also take up. This is the third one that I also want you to look at, and it's also a free course. So develop essential skills to prevent digital system and combat cyber threats with this free online course. So what's going to teach you about how to protect and also how to combat threats. Exactly. So once you have become vulnerable to the threats, so what do you do to pull yourself out? So this course will also be putting you through that. And learning this thing will also be of help to you, and you can also offer it as a service to organizations. Exactly, because organizations are also making sure that their data and their information are safe, and are being safe from hackers and from intruders. Exactly. So knowing about cybersecurity will help you a lot as a person, and will also be something that you can also offer to services and as a service to organizations and businesses that are very concerned with their data. And definitely a lot of organizations are very concerned about their own data, their clients or their customers' data. Okay, so it says, are you prepared to step up as a frontline defender in the digital era, protecting against digital threats? This course covers everything from the basics of cybersecurity and network defense to advanced cloud protection, incident response, and emerging trends and future direction in cybersecurity. It was reviewed and applied by qualified subject matters experts. So you can see Marino Rubizzi, a penetration tester and certified ethical hacker. So that was the person that puts this course together. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link also to this in the description. So once you come on this page, you click on start now, and then you can just get started with the course. So this particular course has 6 modules. So introduction to cybersecurity. If you click on this arrow, you're going to see the topics under it. Then the second one, endpoint security and application security, cloud security, cryptography and security operations, compliance and ethics in cybersecurity, human factors, and future direction. Exactly. So if you're finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, so now let's look at the last one. The last one is a paid course, and this says a complete cybersecurity guide for beginners. Exactly. So irrespective of the year that if you're watching it after 2024, just know it will still be relevant. Exactly. It's just because I'm making this video towards the end of 2024. All right. So a complete cybersecurity guide for beginners. So now this is the paid course that I'll also recommend. So this is what the course promises to put you through. It says practical ways for beating all online trends, elite hackers, malware, surveillances, spyware, and so on. Then latest up-to-date information and method. So it also promises free 70 plus PDF resources. That's worth $199. Then those of interesting free materials and resources from 7 Defense. So 7 Defense is actually that put this course together. So you're going to be getting free resources, learning and analyzing most dangerous security bugs and vulnerability. I'm just picking it randomly, so you can also, I'll leave a link to it so you can check it out yourself. You will learn to set up a test environment using virtual machine like VirtualBox and VMware. How I made a scammer refund $1,350 who tried to scam my friend. Easily get a job in cybersecurity space. Exactly. So if you are looking forward to get a job in cybersecurity space, this course also has information for you. Now let's look at the course content. So these are the course content. Is to take about 16, let's just say 17 hours total length for this particular course. And these are the course contents: introduction, knowing cybersecurity threats and vulnerability, knowing about encryption, knowing defense mechanism. I'm just picking it randomly. Knowing our operating system, knowing Google Docs, cybersecurity as a career. So this course itself also has a lot of information for you. So since it's a paid course, it comes at a price of $11.99, approximately $12. So the price might be different when you are watching this or when you're on this page, depending on where you are watching from and at the time when you are watching. So, but based on the review and then the course content and everything, and based on my own research, the course comes highly recommendable and then it's a good value for money. Okay, so with that being said, so these are the 4 courses that I'll be recommending for you if you really want to take up a career in cybersecurity or you are new to cybersecurity. So just check the description of this video for the links and then you can get started. You can get started with the free courses. These 3 courses, they are actually free. So if you cannot start straight up with the paid courses, go ahead, watch the free courses, and then so that you can have that foundation, that bedrock in cybersecurity. So that's it, guys. I hope you find value in this video. Please, if you do, let me know in the comment section below. And then if you have any question for me, also leave them in the comments section below. So with that, guys, I wish you success in your cybersecurity journey, and then I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.